Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Erica McCleskey. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy does send these to me monthly, so thank you to Ipsy for sending these over. I get these for being part of the Ipsy Open Studios community, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know if you want to see these every month. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on my other social media at Erica B. McCleskey, which I will link down here, so go follow me over there as well. And I'm going to be doing this month's video a little bit different just so that we can try to move through things a little bit quicker and you can get a better look at the products. So if you like how I do this video, let me know in the comments, and let's go ahead and get started. Theme for this month's box is Ipsy Stay Golden, and on the pamphlet it says, everything you touch is turning to gold, dust on your favorite highlight, pat on the shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. Starting out with the original Glam Bag, we have the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer, a Superfoods hair mask from Briogeo. Next we have a silky lip oil from Artist Couture. The shade says Delicious, and this is a hydrating lip oil. Then we have a blush from Hip Dot in the shade Red Moon. I have not tried this before, but it looks super pretty. The next item we have is a single shadow from Nomad Cosmetics. This is a soft shimmer honey gold eyeshadow with extra fine pigments. It's so pretty. I love this shimmer. And the final item in my glam bag this month is this cake pencil liner from KVD Beauty in their original black shade. Ipsy and Au Soleil, I hope I'm saying that right, also partnered up and sent over this swimsuit cover-up. It looks super cute. I did end up trying it on with my bikini, but I just couldn't get it to tie right. So if you have any tips, let me know. Next up, I'm going to be going through my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. Starting out with a set of 3 makeup brushes from MOTD Cosmetics. These brushes are super soft. There is one for Get Cheeky With It, Golden Gem Bronzer, and Supermodel Sculpt. These are very nice brushes and I love the gold on these. Then I have a full-size shave cream from Refreshments. I actually have one of these in my shower right now. It's so nice. Then I have these Wander Beauty eye masks. I love doing these while I'm doing my eyeshadow. And then I have this mascara from Il Makiage. It's actually my first time trying this brand. Next up is this Vitamin C Night Cream. This is good for uneven skin tone, sun and age spots, and dehydrated skin. For the first step in this makeup tutorial, I am going in with that night cream. This is actually a tip I learned from Styled by Harush. She likes to use this as a base for her makeup, and I also love it. Then I'm going in with that primer from First Aid Beauty, and I'm really just focusing this on the areas where I have texture, such as the enlarged pores around my nose and on my cheek area. I'm going to show you a little before and after with a close-up here so you can really see how much it is filling in my pores, and just so you can see how much of a smoothing effect it has. I feel like it worked really well. What do you think? More skin prep, I'm going to pop on these Baggage Claim eye masks from Wander Beauty. I like to do these while I'm putting on my eyeshadow just so it catches any fallout and then really makes my under eyes hydrated. Then I just did my brows off camera. If you want to see how I did these, I have a video on my Instagram. They are with the Brow Kiki products from One Size Beauty. And I just like to rub in any excess serum from those eye patches before I put on my foundation and concealer. Here I'm using the new Laura Mercier Oil-Free Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Vanille, along with their Flawless Fusion Concealer. I feel like this combo is just great for summer and feels so lightweight. Since this is a summery look, I wanted to add in some faux freckles. This is from Freck OG. All I like to do is just add a few dots wherever you want the fake freckles and then tap them out with your finger. It's super easy. And if you feel like they're too dark, you can always go over it with your translucent powder or another face powder just to make it look a little bit more natural. But this is one of the best products I've tried to create the faux freckles, and it's just so fun. And I'm just going to set my face all over using this Jaclyn Cosmetics translucent powder. Some people say that this leaves them a white cast on their face, but I haven't noticed that. I feel like it does set my products really nicely and gives a little bit of luminosity to the skin, which I love. To warm up my face, I'm using this bronzer from Jaclyn Cosmetics as well. I like to use this shade Golden Goddess when I have a little bit of a tan going like I do here. It really just warms up the face. It's not too orange, but it's also not too cool, so it's the perfect tone, I feel like, for light to medium skin. And I do like that she has a good shade range for these products. For blush, I'm using the Hip Dot blush that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag along with the brush from MOTD Cosmetics. As you can see, it is very, very pigmented. So you want to make sure that you tap off any excess product or wipe it off on the back of your hand. And I like to focus my blush up like right in my under eye because I feel like it gives my face a more lifted effect, and I just feel like it makes me look really youthful. These bright pinks have been my jam this summer, and if this is too much for you, you can always go over it with some setting powder too, just to tame it down. And for that sun-kissed look, I also like to tap it along the bridge of my nose just so it looks like I just got back from being out in the sun. To tone down the blush just a little bit, I'm going in with this Jaclyn Cosmetics Face It All Brightening and Setting Palette, and I'm just brightening up right under my eyes with the lavender shade. Then to start out the eye look, I am going back in with that blush and using this as my crease shade, and I'm also just feathering it out at the edges so that it meets up with the blush in my temples. And this is a pretty simple eye look, but then I'm going in with that Nomad Cosmetics shadow and just popping that all over the lid and on the inner corner of my eye just to brighten it up. Then for eyeliner, I'm using the KVD Cake Pencil Liner and just running that all along my upper lash line and winging it out with the Morphe Makeup by Ariel brush. And then I'm also going to create a cat eye effect by doing the same thing on the inner corner. To finish off the eyes, I'm just curling my lashes and then going in with the Il Makiage mascara that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag. I really like the brush on this one. I know it's not for everybody, but I feel like it kept the mascara from getting onto my eyelid, which is pretty rare for me. And it really grabbed all of my lashes, even the really small ones on my lower lash line. And for my lips, I am popping on some lip liner that's pretty close to my natural lip shade just for some extra definition and buffing it out with my finger. And then I'm going in with the Artist Couture lip oil from Ipsy, and I'm just buffing out the liner with this, and I felt like it went on really smooth and gave my lips a nice glossy effect. And last but not least, we are going in with some setting spray. This is the Benefit Professional Super Setter Mist. I love how fine this mist is. I feel like it really sets in all my powders, locks everything in, and I like to just dry it faster using a fan. Here is the finished look that I created using this month's Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Thank you again to Ipsy for sending both of these over. I was really impressed with all of the products this month. The only things that I wasn't able to try in the video were this hair mask and then obviously the shaving cream. I'm not going to do that on camera. But I have tried the shave cream before and it is super nice and really creamy, which I like. I will try this hair mask and I'll keep you updated over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. Definitely have some new favorite products. I really, really like this mascara. I feel like it just made my lashes look really fluffy and long, which obviously like that, and I like that the brush could really grab all of the lashes and get really close to the root of my lash, because I feel like that's hard to do without getting the product all over my lid sometimes. So definitely recommend this one. It's actually the first time I've tried this brand, so might have to try some more. And just let me know in the comments what you think of this look. I just thought it was really pretty and wearable for summer. It could be good for either day or night times. So if you like seeing these Ipsy unboxings and try-ons, let me know down below, and I'll continue to do these every month. And again, if you like my videos, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.